Blogging successfully and earning a real passive income is achievable, but it requires dedication, strategic planning, and consistent effort. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set the stage for a successful blogging journey. Choose a niche, passion plus demand. Pick a topic you're passionate about and for which there's a demand. Use tools like Google Trends, Ubersuggest, or SEMrush to check the popularity and competitiveness of topics. Target audience. Understand who you're writing for. Define your target audience's demographics, interests, and pain points. Set up your blog. Domain name. Pick a memorable domain name that relates to your niche. Hosting. Opt for reliable hosting like Bluehost, SiteGround, or WP Engine. Platform. WordPress is widely recommended because of its flexibility and vast array of plugins. Design. Use a professional-looking theme. Ensure it's mobile responsive. Create quality content. Value. Offer unique insights, advice, or perspectives. Consistency. Post regularly. Whether it's once a week or once a month, stay consistent. Engaging. Use visuals, infographics, and videos to make content more engaging. SEO, search engine optimization, keyword research. Use tools like Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, or Moz to find keywords. On-page SEO. Properly use headings, meta descriptions, and image alt tags. Backlinks. Aim to get links from reputable sources to boost your blog's authority. Monetize your blog. Affiliate marketing. Promote products related to your niche and earn commissions for sales or leads. Ad networks. Use Google AdSense or more premium networks like Mediavine or AdThrive. Sell digital products, e-books, courses, or webinars. Sponsored posts. Collaborate with brands to write about their products or services. Promote your blog, social media. Share your content on platforms where your audience hangs out. Email marketing. Collect emails and nurture your audience with regular updates and exclusive content. Guest posting. Write for other blogs in your niche to gain backlinks and exposure. Engage with your audience. Comments. Reply to comments on your blog posts. Feedback. Ask for feedback and use it to improve.